Welcome friends, I Rakesh Sharma welcome you on my channel Embrace. Friends, if you have to choose between fear and hope, what you will choose? Definitely, you will answer me that we will choose hope. Still, my question is, do we really are choosing hope or are we going towards the fear? If our life is in darkness and if we are not seeing the light ahead, we can assume that there is no light, and the reality is darkness means the absence of light. It doesn't mean the light is not there. And we have to understand this, that if we are in darkness for some time and suddenly light appears in front of our eyes, it will affect our eyes. And if the light appears slowly in tiny form, then we can adjust ourselves into that light and it won't affect our eyes. And this is what I want to say. Though this is the time of fear, though this is the time of darkness, it doesn't mean that there is no hope or there is no light at the end of the tunnel. It is what we create through our thoughts, we get it. Everybody is saying that whatever this current situation is today is going to last and we won't come out. Every day we get several videos on this current situation, and 99% of these videos generate fear. There is no hope. If everybody is creating fear, then what we will create? The answer is simple. We will create fears for ourselves. We will create fear for the world. And this is what I am saying, that we have to come out from this. It is you what you create that comes out. If everybody is praying that yes, this is over here to last, then it will going to happen. Nobody can change it. Because unknowingly we are empowering the situation, our fears, by doing so. We are not learning the lesson because we are afraid of learning the lesson. We don't want to understand the truth. Even if the truth is in front of our eyes, we don't accept it. We have to understand the law of nature, that how it works. I'm not saying that I'm the only person in this world who understands Mother Nature and how it's works. Still, every human being can connect, can understand. I have always told through my videos that events are not important in our life. The important is what you have learned from those events, so that you can implement the learning into your life. In the past years, we have not treated Mother Nature in the way it has to be treated. The man thinks that I am the creator of this world. I can create and I can destroy this world within seconds. What we are creating nuclear bombs, missiles, and what it will do? Whether it will create something for us or it will destroy something for us, the answer is within you. If we want to protect ourselves, then we have to rely on that supreme source. That is the source which will be going to help us, to protect us. And if we have become such a strong energy that we can do anything, then there can be some twists and turns. There can be some event which will let us rethink. Oh, is this what you think? There is a simple message in this video. If you have to create, you have to create hope for yourself and at the same time hope for the world. If you have to create, you have to create light for you and for others and for the world. Why we have to go into that path? which is negative. Why we have to choose that path where we can see the end? Why can't we see a path in which we can re-begin our life? Friends, on 19th May, I will be releasing a video, and this video will be a prayer, and I want every Indian to join this prayer, and I want the world should follow it. It is a prayer of hope. It is a prayer of light. It is a prayer to Mother Nature. It is prayer to that Supreme Soul that, look, I am your child and I want you to protect me in this difficult time what I am facing in my life. And it is you who can do this, nobody else. And this is my message in this video. When 19th May appears, all Indians and the entire world should pray. And this prayer is just not a prayer. Once you see that, once you hear it, once you feel it, then you can decode what is the message, what I am giving to the world, to you. I hope you will be there joining me on 19th May for this prayer, and let God know that we are creating hope, we are creating light, and you are the source of that hope, and you are the source of that light. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this video.